In this video, we will go over how to plot and share points on TAC. First, press the marker icon on the top of the TAC interface. This will bring up the Markers Options panel. Select the icon of the marker you want to plot. Tap on the map where you want to plot this point. To edit the marker, click the Edit icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. This will bring up an option to rename the point you most recently plotted on the map. To change the marker icon, select the appropriate marker you would like placed on the map. Using the same sequence, plot and rename points on TAC as needed. You can plot markers of different types at the same time. Once you are finished plotting your points, ensure you share your points with the team by pressing Send in the bottom right-hand corner of the page. Be sure to visit our website or YouTube page for more help navigating TAC.